Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition off. Open the glove box fully and squeeze the glove box sides inward to release the stops so it can hang down. Remove the damper arm by unhooking its clip and set a small container for screws nearby. Keep a Phillips screwdriver and a flat pry tool ready. The replacement cabin air filter for many Forester model years measures about 5 by 5 inches and sits in a rectangular housing behind the glove box. Press the two plastic tabs on the cabin filter housing cover and pull the cover down carefully to expose the filter slot. Take note of the airflow arrow molded on the housing and on the filter edge so you can maintain correct direction when installing the new one. Slide the used filter straight out slowly to avoid shaking loose trapped leaves and dust into the blower housing. Use a shop vac to catch loose debris if needed. Inspect the removed filter for leaves, dust layers, and black residue. Before sealing it, take the new cabin air filter from its packaging and confirm the airflow arrow points down toward the blower motor. Orient pleats vertically and slide it fully into the housing until it seats. Snap the housing cover back into place until both tabs click. Reattach the glove box damper arm and push the glove box up to engage the side stops. Close the glove box and start the car. Run the HVAC on high for a minute while listening for rattles and verifying stronger, cleaner airflow at the vents to confirm correct installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.